Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to create multiple doc pages in document in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first you have to open your InDesign software. Now you can see here the software interface. At first you want to create any size of page like letter or iPad Pro or web page, etc. You can go the more preset option. Otherwise you can create book or library. Go to the file menu and click this new option. Now I create the document. Then we can see here the new document window. Now I am change the height and width. You can change this. Otherwise you can change the orientation, like you can change this unit. Now I am make multiple pages to document. Click this pages drop down menu and write my page number. Now I am write 6. Then click create. Wait some moment. Then scroll down and we can see here we create 6 page very easily. Here the first or the second, third, fourth, 5 and 6 page here. Now we can see here the pages is facing page. You can off this. Go to the edit menu and go to the document setup option. Then we can see here many option. Now you off this facing page and click OK, and here the single page here. Now we can see we insert multiple page into document very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.